This is a Grazel memory foam pillow by Kurlon, also called the Kurlopillo Grazel Classic. This is a pillow made of innovative memory foam which senses the body heat and adjusts itself to the changing sleep positions. It is encased in 100% cotton fabric. Firm support and comfort for the head and neck. Zero pressure points. Costs a little over 2000, but you can get it at a lower price as well. I found this pillow to be very heavy, and during the initial days you might find it little hard, as it is definitely harder than the Hosta series that came about 2 decades ago. This is a very durable pillow and will easily last a decade. Once again, I would like to point that out. It is very heavy. So if you want to buy this, I will leave a link in the description box for you.